Welcome to IT Port. In our previous sessions, we had checked with introduction to locks in SQL Server. In this session, we are going to see about lock modes in SQL Server. The Microsoft SQL Server database engine locks resources using different lock modes that determine how the resources can be accessed by concurrent transactions. So there are more than 20 types of lock modes in SQL Server. Here we listed most important lock modes. First one is shared, used for read operations that do not change or update data, such as a select statement. So it enables the lock shared. The second one is update, used on resources that can be updated, prevents a common form of deadlock that occurs when multiple systems are reading, locking and potentially updating resources later. So it will enable the update lock for the first transaction and other transactions will wait. The third one is exclusive, used for data modifications operations such as insert, update or delete, ensures that multiple updates cannot be made to the same resources at the same time. It's only for exclusive on that particular transactions. So it enables the exclusive locks for that transaction. Next one is intent, used to establish a lock hierarchy. The types of intent locks are intent shared or intent exclusive and shared with intent exclusive, which is based on the lock hierarchy and based on the page or row level into the table. So it enables intent lock for types. Next one is schema based locks, used when an operation dependent on the schema of a table is executing. The types of schema locks are schema modifications and schema stability. Next one is bulk update, used when bulk copying data into a table and the table of hint is specified. This is based on the hints. The last one is key range, protects the range of rows read by a query when using a serializable transaction isolation level. It ensures that other transactions cannot insert rows that would qualify for the queries of the serializable transaction if the queries were run again. So this is based on the range of rows to be updated in the serializable transaction levels. So before that, you should know about the isolation levels in SQL Server. Here we comment our previous session based on the isolation levels video URL. So please go ahead with that isolation level before know about the lock modes. So it will be very useful to you. So these are the most important lock modes in SQL Server. In our upcoming sessions, we checked with depth in detail for each and every lock modes with the simplest example. So this information will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe and wait for upcoming videos. Thank you, friends.